Avex Electronics, your EMS partner since 1987. At Avex Electronics, for over 30 years, we have been focusing on our customer needs. We are offering electronics manufacturing services, EMS, to companies operating in a wide variety of advanced technology, high quality, high reliability, and high expectations market sectors. We supply these industries: the automotive, industrial, and consumer. Avex Electronics is accredited to ISO 9001. We devote special attention to respecting ecosystems which are guaranteed by ISO 14001 and ISO 45001 standards. Products for automotive customers, production process and equipment are compliant with IATF 16949-2016. Leading OEMs have given us the best ratings in their audits. Our company invests heavily in the best production technologies available. The SMT facility has a capacity of 620,000 component placements per hour and consists of 6 high-performance Fuji NXT and 2 Fuji Amex pick-and-place machines, which enable us to assemble boards up to 150 cm. Every SMT line is equipped with inline 3D SPI solder paste inspection units. The lines are also equipped with inline 3D automated optical inspection systems. Our vacuum reflow ovens are able to remove voids in solder joints and interfaces. 3D X-ray inspections, sophisticated high-speed inspection in SMT production, 2D codes burnt by laser, PCM milling, controls with electron microscopes, in circuits and functional tests. All of this in order to quickly and accurately guarantee a tested, certified and fully functional product. Our conventional technology allows automated assembly of axial and radial components. We are capable of producing both Row HS compliant and leaded products, both utilizing wave soldering and, where necessary, hand assembly. We offer a full project support service from parts procurement through to complete assembly and full electronic testing. Our close future is about implementing smart factory solutions combined with automation technology to improve and maintain production quality and productivity. Linking the main SMT processes through smart factory solutions makes it possible to flexibly respond to any changes in production status and optimize the entire SMT floor. We are now ready to become your EMS partner and to develop business together.